Y'all gonna hate me for this one. Y'all gonna hate me for this one. So light carbonated drinks. You know, I observed and I made my hypothesis, right? So my hypothesis was it'll be at least one type of benefit from drinking carbonated drinks, whether that be increased energy, something, because it's you know, what is it's filtered carbonated water. So I observed, I've just been looking at people throughout history. And the experiment was the research. What I found out was everybody is dying. Everybody is dying. It's not one thing good in carbonated drinks. It's not one thing good in pop and one thing good in soda that can benefit you like anything else. So the people who've been drinking soda/pop have been increasing their risk of death. They've been increasing their risk of death. You've been dying from soda/pop. Sorry to say it, but everybody's been dying from it. Research show heart disease, low immune system, obesity, diabetes, kidney failure, kidney disease, kidney stones, liver failure, liver disease, dementia. What else? Bladder infections, Alzheimer's, cancer, period. It increases cancer. It decreases protein levels in the brain. It's 400 to 800 times sugar than any other drink. So if we look at the back of this 7-Up, you can see the calories is about 140 and 12 fluid ounces. So 12 fluid ounces is about this red cup right here. And that's fine. That's fine, 140 calories, but let's get deeper. All right, now let's look at the sugars. 76% of sugars in your daily drink. So that means if I drink this, I'm 3/4 good on my sugar. If I drink this 1 cup, I'm 3/4 good on my drink. So that means if I drink this whole liter, 76% times 6 servings per container, 70 times 6. Hold on, let's round it up. 80 times 6, 400. If I drink this whole liter, it's 480% of my daily sugar. Okay? And that's if I'm an average American. You know, your weight differs, and your age differs. So for the average American, I'm done with my sugars by the time I'm drinking a cup or two of this cup. And that's just light carbonated drinks. All right, so the list goes on. Tooth decay, decrease in bone density, asthma, skin diseases. It's nothing good that comes from drinking pop. Carbonated drinks attacks every single thing in your body, on the inside and on the outside. Every single thing in your body, it attacks and decreases your taste buds. That's why. When you drink it, you get pleasure out of it. So my recommendation is to drink water with flavored powder or some type of flavor. So if you got the packets like lemonade packets, some people put like lemon, maybe some berry punch in a package, and they mix it with their water. That has no sugar in it. This has all the sugar in it. All right, so as soon as you start drinking it, you dead. You basically dead as soon as you start drinking it.